my frog had to pee pee.
Be careful, I got a boat.
The world is my oyster. I have a neck gator. I don't know why I left it in the truck like an asshole.
I was gonna ask you too if you had anything in the truck, but like, nah, he probably got it already.
Right? Oh, he's organized.
He's boat owner now. He's number 2.
That's what you think. Never thought it'd be on a boat.
Well, saw him a while ago. Probably a good like 3 feet. Catch guard around here. Trying to guard here.
Do you mind?
That was fucking me. Tell my friend, man, it must suck being a mullet, man. Everybody fucking with you. Got people throwing fucking throw nets at your ass. Fucking fish trying to eat you.
Come on, buddy.
Birds trying to eat you. Someone's gotta eat my fat.
I'm surprised nobody wants my fat frog. Ooh. I saw a nice fish bust on the... Oh, there he went again. Oh, I think that was a gar. Yeah? Yes!
Going?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
Ooh! Is it on? Yes. Ooh, net? Can somebody get it?
Yeah, get the net.
Oh, come on, don't shake off, don't shake off! Don't shake off!
Don't boat. Let me
Oh,
okay.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
That's a fucking hog.
Oh! Yes! Chris in the boat!
Dedication to that frog. Look at that choke.
Ah!
Hell yeah.
Oh!
This whole, we just kept telling you to switch up some of the baits.
Oh, let's go, baby!
Stay there, stay there.
Should I? Wait. Hold on.
Yeah, get him right there. Fish.
Ah,
He's a little skinny for his size, but
yeah.
choke that too.
He got that right up into his palate.
The camera.
Yeah. Thankfully.
It's not like that last time you caught like a 6-pounder or whatever. Your camera was
Oh no, when I caught my 6-pounder.
When I caught that 5 at Walsham.
Well, hold on, let me get this.
Hey man! Can you hear me? All the way on the side.
No way.
What?
That's not. No way.
I've got one too.
Yeah, get a different scale. 3.5.
I can see it actually.
That looks about right.
That's a
thin.
22-inch bass right there,
It's
man.
thin, man.
It's
Oh, let me put him on the board too, the bass board. Should we put him in the water to?
Well, you're not gonna keep him, so
It looks about.
3.5.
It looks about right.
I think it's right.
I would about 40.
I got mine was there.
Excuse me.
There's a hole in there.
Oh, 19. Yeah. Well, if I fold the tail, yeah, 19.
So that's the same exact size as the one that Jimmy caught yesterday. 3.66. Chances are.
There it goes. It went. Woo! The thing was, like I said, that fish wasn't even in the muck. Oh shoot.
Oh, there you go again, Drew.
Oh!
Go.
Yeah, he did.
I don't think I was recording, but I saw the boat.
Yeah, I did too.
Booty right there, man. Looks like that's it.
This is my spidey senses. The mats aren't heavy, or your thing isn't heavy enough to punch. Oh, I've got punching stuff, but that's the thing, is I'd have to take my frog off and just start punching, which I honestly don't mind doing. But I don't want to take the frog off. That blow up was so much fun.
You got 2 blows, right?
Yeah.
That's gonna make for some good YouTube content.
Oh, everybody loves the blow up.
I bet nobody can see it.
Yeah.
That's true. Hey, the important people will see it. You fuck. Ray Garza. My man, I guess this would be a good time to do shout outs, right? My man, Morales Fishing, yeah. Hell yeah. He watches my videos.
Yeah, he watches all mine.
Yeah, he's awesome. I'm gonna leave this in the video, give him a shout out. And Ray Garza.
Put links down in the description.
Hell yeah.
You should totally put
Has Ray
you should
posted
totally put the link right there, man.
Right on the green. I can't even.
We can pick it up real quick and just take all the shit off.
Yeah. Okay. Dang, that's a lot of ensalada.
You keep it up, please.
Can you keep it up for me, baby? There we go. Hold on, don't put it back down because it still needs to. I should bring that oar out. Like that oar would come in handy. Okay, now start dropping it.
Yep.
Right. Did you get some?
I think I have one.
Holy smokes, let's go, Grego. Oh no, I think you do have one. Net. Net. Woo! Let's go, Grego. Let's go.
On the brush hog.
Let's go, Grego. Oh, come on. Nice. That's a good one.
Yeah. Yay! Thank you. Thanks for not making me all get off skin. Oh, thank God. Good thing your frog with me now. And crushing my beer.
It all paid off.
Hey, that bass is like, everybody gets one. No, it's time to have probably.
Nice. Got it.
Thank you.
Dang. Now we got to catch up to Grego.
You had all the equipment and phone one by itself.
Hey, you got one?
Yeah.
I got it. Oh, that's a good one, Edmund.
Nice.
That's a good one, dude. You need the net? Let's go, baby. Woo! Let's go. Let's go, Edmund.
I was about to say that since you've got all the equipment here, the trolling motor wouldn't be terribly expensive. But,
Let's
yeah,
go.
this is probably.
Might be snagged.
Here we go.
You ready? Hell yeah, dude.
This is the the thumbnail right here.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna have to do some voiceover on it though.
Yeah.
Let's see, where is
I'm saying 2. What do you say, man?
What?
I'm saying 2. What do you think?
2?
what's your guess, Drew?
Oh, that one? Yeah, I think that's a solid 2. I would say, but I guess if we're gonna try to guess different ones, I'll go.
You can guess the same. That way, when I'm right, you're both wrong.
Okay, I think it's a 2, but it could be 1.75. It could be 1.75.
Fucking price is right, motherfucker.
2 1/4 is what I'm saying. Oh no, I was close with my original guess. 244, 246.
What?
246.
Nice,
So I
dude.
said 2.5 originally, and then I changed it because I got it in my head.
I was way off. Dang.
Well, I said 2 at first, so I'll stick my 2. But no, it's a good fish though. Damn good fish.
Hell yeah.
Solid, it's all muscle. Further down. Like it was so hard, I felt it.
You monster.
This is amazing! Ah! Best day ever! Ah! Imagine how many bass we would have had when we got here early.
I know. Don't bust my balls.
I can't now. It's just, I know, right?
We haven't mentioned you flaking out.
Hey, listen. This voids the flaking.
Oh, I saw that one.
Oh, damn it! I keep getting salad. It's that stupid exposed hook.
Yeah.
I should have Texas rigged. Yeah, I guess you're right. Too long, anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she goes. Oh, she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine, but you know, just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. Sunshine when she's Three. Yeah. So 6. You had 3. You had the 2 small, and then you had the 1 solid chunk. Yeah. It feels like you have more, cause yeah.
You've been getting more action than everybody else.
That's true. Yeah. Yeah.
Those 2 dinks were kind of. If you put both of them together, it's still a small dink.
Oh yeah. Oh, nobody's hating? Nice. Nice. That's a good. Dang. That joker is nice. Gotta put him on the bump board.
Crappie.
Oh, nice, dude.
No, it's a sunfish. I thought it was a crappie.
Oh, that's a good sunfish.
It's a handler right there.
Heck yeah. Oh, and I caught that on camera too. Caught that on camera too.
Might just be a regular bluegill.
Hold him up. Oh! I should have snapped the picture. Nice.
Ah.
Oh, that's a nice one. God.
Just look 'em on.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That's got some really nice stripes on it.
Heck yeah, it's beautiful. A year later from now, I'm gonna be like, I fished every lake here in Texas, and I haven't caught a goddamn fish in not a one of them.
They fucked up.